In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Google Photos on one device. If you're using Google Photos across multiple devices and you just want to sign out on a single computer without touching your phone or tablet, this quick walkthrough is for you. We'll keep your photo library exactly as it is, and we won't affect any other device connected to your account. Today, we're focusing on the desktop method because it's the most straightforward way to sign out from just one place. On some mobile devices, removing an account can also sign you out of other Google apps, especially on Android. So it's best to use a computer if your goal is to isolate the sign out to a single device. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer and heading to the Google Photos website. If you're already signed in, you'll see your photo library. If not, sign into the account you use with Google Photos. Once your library is visible, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture or your initial in a small circle. Click that icon to open your account menu. In the menu that appears, click Sign Out. That's it. You've now signed out of Google Photos on this browser session. Here's what that means in practice. This action applies only to the browser and profile you're currently using. If you have another browser installed, or if you use separate browser profiles on the same computer, those sessions won't be affected. Likewise, your phone, tablet, and any other computers stay signed in unless you repeat this exact process there. If you use a shared or public computer, this is a great way to ensure your Google Photos account isn't left open for the next person. A few important notes for peace of mind. Your photos and videos stored in the cloud are not deleted when you sign out. Your library remains exactly where it is, safely backed up to your Google account. Other devices remain signed in, so you can continue using Google Photos on your phone or tablet without interruption. And if you're considering signing out on a mobile device by removing the account, be aware that on Android this can also sign you out of other Google apps tied to that account. Whenever you're ready to get back into Google Photos on this computer, simply return to the website and sign in again. Your library will load as usual, and you can pick up right where you left off.